entail. And moving on to page 6, we also see the hard stance that the political sides have taken, and NASA still insists on poll in 90 days. Now, the argument from Jubilee side is that this is not enshrined in the Constitution. Within the Constitution, there is nowhere there is provision for elections in 90 days. However, according to NASA, that would be the only way of ensuring that they participate. One, they participate in the election, and two, because they have the irreducible minimums that cannot be sorted out unless it is done within that 90 days.
Again, we have to go back to the Constitution, and as a nation, we have to do each and everything based on the Constitution and with respect to the rule of law. And so at the end of the day, both leadership should be able to submit themselves to what the Constitution says, so that we work towards the framework and within the framework of the Constitution in moving our agendas forward. Yes.
All right, and we'll wait. I guess what's happening right now in the country is that literally the Constitution is being tested. For us to go back to the Supreme Court and a presidential election is actually nullified, that is definitely the Constitution in a test. But let's look